Hey everyone, it's Kira here, and I'm going to be showing you how to use the new card dance keyframe effect. So, how you use it is you import an image, go to your effects, scroll, right now it's in the new, and you've got card dance. Now I'm going to show you what all these different effects do. So with the row, you can see that it adds a lot more lines to make it a lot thinner. Some people like it thinner, some people don't, so basically just play around with it and see what effect you like the most. So if we put both down, you can see it's just a normal image. But if you increase both, there's a lot of little pixels. Now, position X turns it to left and right, just like position X in normal keyframes. So there are a lot of rows and columns, therefore there are a lot of little pixels. Position Y, also similar, up and down. Position X, which is my personal favorite, moves it back and forth, which gives it a really cool effect. I like when the position X is increased in a transition, which I'll just quickly show you, with a mid-graph, which looks pretty cool. Now what you can do is you can also change the camera position where you'd like. You can also use these buttons, up to you. We've also got camera zoom, which basically increases and decreases the camera, similar in 3D scene. And then you can also change the lighting after I reset the camera to your choice. And you can also change the lighting. If you want it more of like a golder, you can do around here, or if you just want white, you can leave it. And that's how to use card dance. So it's a really cool effect, makes the edits look really advanced, it's really good. So I hope this helps and can't wait to see these in all your edits.